Hey gang, Michael Lush. We got a question of, what was the question again? Recently got a question is, how long does one have to wait in order to refinance into a home equity line of credit? There's actually three parts to that answer, or actually three answers. One is you can actually buy a home using a home equity line of credit, so you don't have to wait. And quite frankly, on a traditional mortgage, I don't know if you realize this, but they have what's called a truth in lending disclosure that basically tells you that you're buying your house at the end of 30 years, but oh, by the way, you're going to buy the bank one as well. Thank you very much. Instead of using a traditional mortgage, you can actually purchase a home using a home equity line of credit. A home equity line of credit is a bank product. It's not a government loan. So each bank and credit union has their own policies and terms and appetite for risk. So although some may allow you to purchase using a home equity line of credit, others may force you to wait 6 months to be in the home and owner of record for 6 months before you actually refinance into a home equity line of credit. Now that's typically the worst case scenario. Actually, I've talked to a couple banks that don't have any seasoning requirements, but they don't allow a purchase. Now what this means is you don't have to be owner of record on your home for any period of time in order to qualify for a home equity line of credit. So one would think, okay, well that's great. Now I can purchase a home using a home equity line of credit since the bank doesn't have any seasoning requirements. But some banks actually have a policy that don't allow you to buy a home using a home equity line of credit. And I've asked this question to numerous bankers and underwriters. So what you're telling me is that I could buy a home using a traditional mortgage on Friday and then turn around on Monday, refinance to a home equity line of credit? The answer is yes, unfortunately. And again, this philosophy and strategy that we teach just hasn't caught up to underwriters and bankers. So we can still use it, but it just means you can't buy a home with their policy, but you can refinance it the next day. Doesn't make any sense, I know. And again, if you like this video, be sure to like below, subscribe to our channel. Again, thank you and God bless. Thanks for watching the video. If you like that one, I actually picked out 2 more for you that you can watch right here. Nope.
Other way, point other way.
This way?
Yep.
Actually, I picked out 2 more for you that I'd like for you to watch. When you get done, I'd also like you to subscribe to our channel. Take care.